Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 16, and name of the chapter 16 is the light and shadow. Name of the chapter 16 is the light and shadow. First one is the sources of light. Sources of light. Main source of light is the sun, or we can say that sun is the main source of light, and this light comes to us through the sun rays. Light comes us to the sun rays, and sunlight makes the day bright. Sunlight makes the day bright, and it helps us to see things around us, and the day ends with sunset. It is dark at night, and it is dark at night, and in dark we get light from electric bulbs, lamps, tubes, torches, burning candles, lanterns, etc. So sun is the main source of light. Sun is the main source of light. Sun is the main source of light. And shadow. What is the shadow? What is the shadow? Go out in open and look around. You will see several objects such as plants, animals, poles, vehicles, etc. Stand with your face towards the sun, and now look at your back. You will see a dark form on the ground. You will see dark form on the ground, and this form will be just like your body in shape, but its size will be different. This dark form is your shadow. This, when you have to go, then opposite side of the body or of the object, shadow is formed, and this is just like your body in shape or object in shape. What is the any object? Behind the object, shadow is formed, and this is the, it will be different. Morning and evening, shadows will be longer, and during the noon it is shortest. Formation of a shadow. How shadow form? Formation of a shadow. Formation of a shadow. Three things are needed to form a shadow: object, source of light, and surface. 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 What is the object? When we see the shadow of a tree, when we see shadow of a tree, the object is tree. What is the object? Object is tree. Object is tree. And the source of light is sun. Source of light is sun. And surface is the ground. Surface is the ground. Where shadow will form? On the ground. So for the formation of a shadow, three things are needed. First one is the object. Object means tree. Source of light, that is the sun. Surface, that is the ground. And when we shadow of a tree, the object is tree, source of light is sun, and the surface is ground. The shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source. The shape of the shadow also depends on the shape of the object. And length of shadow. Length of shadow. Length of shadow. Length of shadow. Shadow change in length and direction at different times of the day. Observe the shadows in the morning. They are fairly long. They are fairly long and much longer than the object. Much longer than the objects. And at noon, the shadows are shorter than the objects. And in the evening, again it is longer like those in the morning. So this is all about light and shadow. And what we have learned in this chapter, we need light to see things. We need light to see things. And sun is the main source of light. Sun is the main source of light. And a shadow is formed. A shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light, then shadow is formed. Three things are needed for formation of a shadow. Three things are needed for formation of a shadow. That is the object, source of light, surface. And shadows always fall on the opposite side of the light source. Shadow change in length and direction at different times of the day. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening. Shadows are shortest at noon. More to know. Nothing travels faster than light. Nothing travels faster than light. In olden days, people could tell the time by looking at the position of shadows made by the sun. And fill in the blanks. We need light to see things. The sun is the main source of light. A shadow is a dark formed by an object when it blocks light. The light travels through light rays. Shadows change in length and direction at different times of the day. The sun gives us light and heat. The shadows of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source. Shadows are long in the morning and evening. Shadows are shortest at noon. So till here you will take revision.